Hi, this is Natasha Rocca Devine and welcome to Michael Murphy in Swords exclusively for RSVP Online. Today I'm going to share with you my top 5 bed choices. Let's go get started. So this is my number 1 choice for beds. This beautiful white bed is stunning. Maybe difficult to maintain, but absolutely incredible when matched against an accent colour. You can mix that with greens or navies or whatever choice of colour. So let's move on to number 2. So this is my bed choice number 2, a beautiful buttoned velvet headboard here. And instead of choosing a specific theme, I just chose 3 different options just to show the adaptability of every bed, particularly this one, just showing a plain colour, printed, and then more of an abstract art, and then a different throw. So mix and match. So this is my bedroom choice number 3. I absolutely love the dark wood. It's one of my favorite types of furniture, particularly for a bed. It's so stunning and classic. And then you can mix and match it with the throw, patterned cushions and art. I think it's stunning and I think it's welcomed in any type of home. So my number 4 choice of bed is this beautiful classic contemporary set. I think I love this, in particular the dresser. It's very much me. But you could accessorize this with much more neutral or masculine prints. You can make it much more va-va-voom, or you can bring it down to more neutrals like creams and whites. But I definitely recommend this for people who are on the fence between both styles. For my 5th and final choice of bed, I've chosen this gorgeous blue style bed. I think if you really love a colour, why not embrace the space? So I'm here in Michael Murphy in Swords, and that wraps up my series for RSVP Online. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.